Hello friends! Welcome to Cars for Kids. I'm BabyDino. Are you ready to see some cool cars today? Let's go! Look! It's a red car. The red car goes vroom, vroom. Can you say vroom? Great job! Here comes a yellow taxi. Beep beep. The taxi takes people all around the big city. Hello, taxi. Wow, look at the flashing lights. It's a blue police car. Woo woo, woo woo. The police car helps keep everyone safe. Here comes the big red fire truck. Nay nah, nay nah. Look at its long water hose. Splash, splash. It helps put out fires. Honk honk. It's a yellow school bus. All the kids are going to school to learn and play. Let's wave hello. Bye bye. Kid. Now, let's practice our colors. We have a red car, a yellow taxi, and a blue police car. Red, yellow, blue. You are so smart. Let's make some noise. The red car goes. The police car goes. And the fire truck goes. Let me hear you make some noise. Awesome! Game time. Look very closely. Where is the yellow car? Can you point to the yellow car? There it is. In the middle. You found it.